am an odd fellow. I believe in the fatherhood of God and the brotherhood of man. I believe in friendship, love, and truth as basic guides to the ultimate destiny of all mankind. I believe my home, my church or temple, my lodge and my community deserve my best work, my modest pride, my earnest faith, and my deepest loyalty.
This milestone reminds us of the collective effort that have sustained our lodge through the years. Your commitment to upholding the ideals of our order, your service to the community, and your dedication to each others as brethren are testament of our strength in Gargano 69.
Today is not just a gathering. It is a testament to the strength, unity, and unwavering commitment of our brotherhood and sisterhood in fostering friendship, love, and truth. May this installation ceremony serve as a beacon of hope and a reminder of why we stand together as odd fellows. Let us celebrate this milestone with enthusiasm, unity, and renewed commitment to making the world a better place.
I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to every member of Gargano Lodge number 69. Your trust, guidance, and camaraderie have been my greatest source of strength. My commitment to our lodge and the principle of odd fellowship remains strong.
We, in the Grand Lodge of the Philippines, particularly in the Grand Lines, will always support all the lodges here in our Grand Lodge.
I extend my deepest congratulations. You have been entrusted with the noble duty of guiding this lodge forward. May your leadership be marked by wisdom, integrity, and a steadfast dedication to the principles of our order. The true measure of a lodge is not on its size, but the strength of the bonds that unite its members, the service it renders, and the principles it upholds.
Let our actions reflect the noble teachings of our fraternity, ensuring that Gargano 69 will continue to flourish and remain a beacon of hope and service.
I will always be here to support, to lend a helping hand, and to stand by your side as a brother and friend.
Together, we will ensure that the Gargano Lodge number 69 continues to thrive not just for us, but for the future generations of odd fellows who will follow in our footsteps. Thank you, and you may friendship, love, and truth always guide our way.